Welcome back, YouTube. We're still here at the location. 4 hour has turned into 5 hours. Still got the Jenny hooked up. Looks like they're calling for 6 hours, they said, so can't complain, the pay is good. So AMJ Lighting Electrical Services here at your needs. We cover Pennsylvania, New Jersey, upstate New York. We stay out of the 5 boroughs. Ohio, Maryland, Delaware. Give us a call. Looks like it's going to be a full 8-hour day. Jenny's still running. Alright, guys. I'll catch you on the next one, man. Enjoy your weekend. Looks like I'm working tomorrow as well. Later. Video's out.